My name is Bill Spicer. My late father, Harold Spicer, was a newspaper photographer for the Baltimore News Post from 1939 to 1972. His passion was steam locomotives. When I was a boy in the 1950s, he often took me to the main line of the B&O just to watch the trains. His favorite spot was at Lansdowne, where the engineers would blow their whistles as they approached the grade crossing. In addition to taking beautiful photographs of the trains, my dad also made rare recordings with his state-of-the-art wire recorder. He captured forever the sound of these powerful locomotives as they roared by. I recently discovered his photographs and recordings thought to be lost forever. I digitally remastered his collection of recordings onto audio CD and is now available to collectors. It contains 72 minutes of uninterrupted sounds of Western Maryland, B&O, and New York Central freight and passenger trains. These are not sound effects, but rare, full-length recordings made 60 years ago. It is a true historical treasure and a nostalgic revisit to the way railroads used to sound. You will swear you can smell the coal smoke.